Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Ashwini Kumar Vajpayee. I have come here from Guwahati, Assam, and I had a very beautiful chance of meeting Dr. Rajashekar KT when he was in some other hospital. Later this year when I was suffering from this knee joint problem, a lot of pain was there, and first time when I met him in the other hospital, he advised me that this is not the right time for the operation and he will advise me when to undergo the operation. I started having a belief in him, kind of belief I can't explain, I'm short of words. So this time when it aggravated, so I had a talk with him from Guwahati itself and he was very supportive. He told me, you come down. Eventually I came down here in the month of July and he accommodated my request to operate me by 11th of July. I was operated by him in Apollo Hospital, Banargheta, on 11th of July. And it went very smooth, and I remember the hospital time, the operation table, when he came and told me, I am Dr. Rajashekar and abhi shuru karta hu. And after 20 minutes or so, he said that, ho gaya, sab theek ho gaya. I remember those words. It was full of assurance, quality assurance. So then on 15th, I was discharged from the hospital in a span of just 4 to 5 days. Recovery was good, and then there were quick 2 instances on every week they opened my sutures. And today I am speaking to you on 19th of August during my last follow-up visit because I am leaving for Guwahati. And I can tell you, this was the operation I think most smooth. I am not having any lingering type of pain. Some mild pain will be there, that I also understand, and some inflammation that will go on with the passage of time. All the whole, I will say I am very thankful to God to have given me a chance to meet a doctor like Dr. Rajashekar KT. My heart goes to him and his team, and to the Apollo Hospital for the wonderful infrastructure and support team, and excellent support. I can tell you, you don't feel like a patient out here in the Apollo, you feel like a guest, their own family man. Last but not the least, long live Dr. Rajashekar. You are a wonderful doctor.